That's it. I'm going for a walk. Come on, Selena. Where did Selena go? Shoot. Selena, baby rabbit. Where did you... Oh, shoot. Come on. Why do you want to take a walk right now? It's like late. Because I'm getting bored. I want to go take a walk right now. Why do you want to take a walk so bad? At least wait until the next day. Because you don't want to be in there in the house. Well, we're already outside. Oh. Well, since we're here, we're laying on the grass. Great. You know, Serena's probably gonna catch us out here with you, like, not being inside, right? Oh, boo-hoo, since when did you care? I cared so much. Ow! What the? You know what? Forget it. You're just lucky I haven't told Serena that you were outside by yourself. Otherwise, I would have gotten you. Oh, poo. Oh my gosh. You know what? Yeah. Great. Humans, if I were you, I would not have a baby sibling that acts this nuts. I've heard that. Seriously, don't have one.